Welcome to
The watch. The Chinese watch. Yes.
the Chinese Watch. So exciting stuff today. This is my second and last dose of my birthday Aliexpress haul. I want to do an actual unboxing video for you. So we've got two items and we're going to pick one at random. How about the smaller one? Good things come in small packages, they say. Here's my patented box opener. Bag opener, I guess. You can bang this on the sidewalk and then throw it in a rain barrel if you really want the full effect. Ooh, look at that snake skin box. Pretty cool. I have no idea what this is. I ordered 3 watches. I've already showed you the first one, which was my what was it? It was the quartz chronograph. Here's Benyar, first Benyar product I've seen. I kind of like that box. It's not just a junk box. Oh, but you open it up and here's some foam. Here's a tool. That's for pressing out push pins out of a bracelet. So I expect to see some, number one, I expect to see a metal bracelet, and 2, I expect to see its push pins and not screws holding it together. Foam. There is a branded Benyar cloth inside. That's pretty classy, I think. Benyar. How they come up with these names, I don't know. This is what's called a BB58 homage. Pretty good looking. First impression is it looks like a double dome sapphire crystal and ceramic bezel. I can already see there's either some goop or a scratch on the bezel, so that's less than ideal. Nice weight to this watch. We have also a little hang tag, conspicuously not hanging. Benyar guarantee card. Looks exactly like the Pagani design ID card I just got, and a instruction manual that you can also use as a guarantee card. One size fits all instruction manual. So this is bearing a extreme resemblance to the Pagani design accoutrement that we get. It's a nice little cloth though, I like that. Here is our watch. It's already running, and the crown is, it's kind of weird. It looks like a screw down crown, but it's not a screw down crown. It does not have a date function, which is fine. Snowflake hands. I like that coin edge bezel with fine teeth. Pretty crummy bezel action on this watch. You move it a full minute and then you move it back. Yeah, I'm not super impressed with the quality. It does feel nice though. The bracelet fits really well. Has nice looking rotor. I'm not sure what movement that is. It reminds me of my Seagull movement in that it has these blued screws. It's got a different kind of a clasp as well to anything I've seen before from Chinese watch. stickers. It's cool. Yeah, I like that skeletonized rotor. It's a nice touch, and it's actually a skeletonized movement, which I wasn't really expecting, or truth be told, actually desiring all that much. This is the second Chinese watch I've gotten that has come without its dial protection sticker. And there we go. That's our unboxing for the Benya. Dial looks pretty nice on this. I would just have to say my first impression is it's a pretty cute dial. I'll listen to that. Yeah, it feels like a cheap movement, but overall impression of it is that it's a it lives up to the cheap watch expectation. Oh my god, that bezel action is just deplorable. It is awful. As long as you don't actually turn the bezel, you might be fine with it. I think the proportions are great. It's 20 millimeter bracelet, and if memory serves, I think it's a 39 millimeter case. I'll probably do a full review on it. I may end up selling this one or giving it as a gift. It was not very expensive, if I recall. I think it was under 60 US dollars. But don't quote me on that. I'll do a full review on it coming up. So bye-bye Benya for now. Whoops. I caught it. Don't worry, it didn't hit the ground. And then we'll go on to this one, which I think is a little bit nicer. With any luck, let's see. That's the winner. I can't remember for the life of me what this even is. The sleeve is not giving any clues. Cadison. It's my first Cadison watch. Are you ready, people? Cadison cloth. Boy, they like to hype up the anticipation effect, don't they? Operation Guarantee Certificate. Operation Guarantee. Operational Manual. I kind of respect Cadison, including both on the operational manual and the wipe Chinese characters. Why should they downplay the fact they're a Chinese company? So many watch companies do. Also, Cadison is a name that at least sounds like some kind of name. Like they gave it a little bit of thought, not just threw a bunch of letters together and called it good. So, what do we have here? I think this was similar to the watch I'm wearing. Yeah. I've got my Courgeux SM300 homage, and this is a smaller version. So this one is a 39 or 38. I think it's 39 millimeter SM300 homage. And if memory serves, this was really well priced, and so I convinced myself it was not awfully decadent to order it. It also must have push pins in the bracelet because here's a pusher, a lot nicer than the Benya. It's actually knurled steel. Let's try that bezel on it. Oh, this guy is really wrapped up, unlike the last two purchases. I also want to point out these two came today. They came a lot sooner than expected. The anticipated arrival was May 22nd, and this is May the 9th. Happy 5/9 to all you Mr. Robot fans out there. That actually looks quite nice, really. It's a more delicate look than the full-size one. There it goes. Starting to think it wasn't going to take off. Again, not the... It's actually not a bad action. It's way better than the one on the Benyar here, but still leaves something to be desired. But it's feels like a more precision bezel. And again, this is a Cadison. It's it's not a Swiss watch or even a San Martin watch or high-end Seagull or anything like that. It's a Chinese watch. Oh, it's got a pretty cool back to it. Take off the stickers. I know that's your favorite. It's a yummy one. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So anyway, I'll be doing a full review of this watch and the Benyar. Get this thing apart. Taking off the stickies. I think they need to put on one of those like red strings on here so you know where to pull. There we go. Okay. We're in the home stretch. Nice high polish. Nice longitudinal brushing. Can you tell the difference between these two? I've already mentioned one difference. It's hard to see in the light. It's not the best light in the world. Yeah, this one is blue and this one is black, but they both have the sandwich dial. This one has the Cadison name. I don't remember if they offered it without. I like the way it looks. Yeah, I can live with that bezel. All right, so that is my unboxing video. All right, I know you want this one last one. Here we go. Bada boom. There you go. There you have it. The Cadison unboxing video. It's a reasonable clasp. Yeah. Not disappointed so far. Tune in next time for... I'll probably do one review video on each watch. Quite like that. Tune in next time for the reviews. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share the videos. They can only get better from here. Take care now. Bye.